Alright, guys. It's another beautiful afternoon, and definitely the program running on air is Kolo Show TV. Now, Kolo Show TV is in frontline to bring you the latest online TV news, entertainment, and exclusive interviews to Wasani. And guys, this is gonna be one of the most beautiful talk show this afternoon because my guest today is one of the most amazing guy, an upcoming artist doing a variety of music, beat bongo, R&B's, Ohangla and hip hop.
Yep.
Alawi, karibu sana kwenye hii show.
Thank you so much.
This is a show that we do it daily to promote our upcoming artists. Yeah, just to begin the show, nataka utuambie Lawi ni nani?
Alawi is just Alawi is a fisherman, as you can see we're in a boat.
Yes.
I'm a charcoal burner. I'm a rapper.
Yes.
I'm a model.
Yeah.
I'm an actor.
Yeah.
I love music. I love my life.
Yes.
And that's what I do. That's me.
That's what you do all.
Yep.
Yeah, I got surprised to get it from you that you do a variety of music. Beat bongo, Ohangla,
Yep.
hip hop,
Yep.
R&B's. Why are you deciding to do all this but not focus in one?
My friend, when you have a talent, you don't specify yourself in the only thing that you do.
Yeah.
You go to a variety of stuffs because there are a lot of listeners outside there. We have people who listen to jazz, people listen to reggae, people listen to R&B. So I kind of produce all these songs to fit every kind of people with their own taste, you see? Yeah, that's what I do, variety. When you're a musician, you should not be lodged to the same place, you see?
It becomes a challenge, especially to our youths like us. Yep. You find someone has a talent but is not able to realize where am I talented. How did you come to realize that you're talented in music?
When I was young, I love listening to radio. I love watching music.
Yes.
So when I was young, I used to listen to people like Tupac Shakur, people like the late Isa.
Yes.
So when I could listen to these songs, I was motivated to try something out.
Yeah.
Yep. So my passion in music grew eventually, and I started recording songs. Yep. And it just picked up. So right now I'm good. Everything's good.
Is there somebody that among the artists that maybe you could sometimes listen to their music? Is there anyone that actually inspired you?
Yep. Variety, like 5 people, 3 people. First of them is Tupac Shakur from USA. The second one is the late Isa. And there are many. They motivate me with their music, with their beats, with everything they do.
Yeah.
Yep.
So when did you join this industry?
I started writing music in 2011.
2011.
Yep.
By then, what were you doing?
I was out of school and I was hustling, so I decided to join music, writing new stuffs.
Yeah.
Yep.
So you started writing your music on 2011. That's when you begin that's when you joined the industry.
Yeah, but by that time I had no record already out.
Yeah.
So
you were just writing
for leisure.
For
I
leisure.
was not serious with music.
Yeah.
But I started being serious with music from 2017.
2017.
Yep.
Your first record you did in which year?
In 2017 on August.
Yeah.
Yep.
How did you feel ukiingia pale studio unaenda kurekodi ngoma yako ya kwanza? Uli feel aje bro?
The first time?
Yeah, for the first.
I was a bit. I had pressure.
Yeah.
I saw my world revolving around, and this first experience,
Yeah.
I saw those big machines zinanguruma kwa masikio, and
Yeah.
it was a good experience. I eventually got used to it.
Eventually you got used to it.
Yeah.
Lawi.
Yep.
Lawi ndio jina yako ya muziki.
Yeah, Alawi Power.
Alawi Power.
Yep.
Alawi Power, umeingia muziki. Watu wengi wanaingia muziki. Kuna wengi ambao hawataki kuingia muziki juu hakuna kuelewana kwa hii industry. You have been here for about 8 good years. What have you noticed in this industry? Is it true that nyinyi kama wana muziki you don't love yourselves?
I've seen deceit, I've seen lies.
Yes.
I've seen truth. Music is nice, music is good, but when you have fake promoters, when you have fake other musicians who try to bring you down, people try to bring you down, they realize that you got a talent, but they just want to squeeze you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, Alawi, just as you had mentioned it earlier, you are doing a variety of music. These are a specific question. You are doing Ohangla, Bongo, R&Bs.
And the hip hop.
And hip-hops.
Yeah.
Where would you like to put this Ohangla in the next 5 years? Where do you want to levelize it?
Most of people, you see, most people are used to this Ohangla that is being played originally.
Yeah.
Sing at it. And I've seen people get promoted in music industry. I've seen a lot of my friends making through it. I've seen a lot of them coming down because sometimes that respect that you deserve, those promoters who are giving you those shows, you don't get. So you find most people, they just try to give up and they feel so low. So music industry is just, you don't give up. Just keep on striving. Keep on striving. Keep on having that strength. Yeah.
So it's a good advice to the youths outside there. So what I want to get from you, you haven't answered me. Currently, you're able to see the people playing Ohangla music, where they have struggled to put it now by now.
Yeah.
Where are you seeing this Ohangla in the next 5 years?
The next 5 years.
Yes.
This type of genre will be dead. Will be dead.
Okay.
See, look, let me give you an example, my friend.
Yes.
You see, people like Prince Indah.
Yeah.
They're having some special advisors in music. They're telling them you should venture into some new style. That's why you see Bahati. He's clinging on Bahati. Right now they have 2 songs together. So they're trying to
Abebo and Diambo.
Yeah, Abebo and Diambo. So they're trying to blend it and bringing some.
And by the way, for the first time, Ohangla artist making a collab with the Bongo.
Yep.
Yeah. I think to me, it's like these guys are trying to build something that to other guys have not noticed this.
Yeah, it's only fan base. Prince Indah is trying to get fan base from Bahati and Bahati. He's trying to get fan base from Nyanza. So that's what I call business in music. Yep.
Alawi Manpower.
Yep.
You are doing a variety of music. Yeah?
Yep.
Is there anyone that gani unapenda sana?
I love hip hop.
You love hip hop.
Yep.
Why hip hop but not Bongo, R&Bs and Ohangla?
Hip hop speaks about culture.
Yes.
Hip hop speaks about our pains as youths.
Yes.
What we go through, what we feel. That's it.
Have you made any record about hip hop?
I have like 6 songs, 6 hip hop songs already.
Okay.
Yep.
Can we get one from you?
Yep, already.
Yeah.
They're there.
Yeah, look at our camera and give us one.
Also, you want one? Okay. Alawi Power, aka the Beat Bender, aka Jerusalem, aka the fuck Ripple Slayer. I never try hard to be a star, but I try hard to be a man. I've been working all time so to get the paydays, but every time I try hard I get the hell days, paydays. Life is so hectic, I'm play with my head is like puppet. Ketale mo ni mama Alawi, nisaya yo mediga hawi, isiko ile mo Alawi tipare go kinyigo tendo na gomba go tu mo sepande yeja ne wacho atar nisaya ne gotano mi yau taso sikanyero kale boba mju. Wana mix to chips at Jehovah na mix bend over roja that calypso sharanova Julius Turi ni kama chanzo, vaccine kama chanjo, barua ni ya Ocampo, ukishtakiwa hege ni kau unaenda heavy, corruption at consume kama bomu za Al-Qaeda na tukijaribu kudinai tunavurutiwa trigger. So think about the greedy, they get nothing for the needy. Politicians wanna drive magazla, mtaani sisi ni mahasla. Alawi Power, aka the Beat Bender, aka Jerusalem.
Wow. Amazing, bro. Amazing. So, Alawi, what as we come to an end of this show, what advice would you like to give youths with talents outside there, but they're not able to come out and play and work out on their talent?
You know, most people, most youths outside there thinks it's easy doing music. Writing music, producing music, and eventually getting out the videos. something very, very tough. So most of them think it's an easy job. Just dress up, just go around, just walk around. You think it's a good thing. No, you have to keep on working hard upon it. And when you get the talent, don't think that's the only thing that can feed you. Go outside there, have work hard for yourself, for your God, for your family, and put more pressure, put extra hard work into music, and pray that God is going to eventually open the space. And you live yourself, don't indulge yourself in drugs if you got talent. Have faith in God, keep yourself clean, do exercise daily, and have faith in God every day.
Alawi, is there any challenge maybe you could encounter in today's?
Yep, a lot of challenges.
Yes.
I don't have money to record sometimes. Right now, I have a lot of 20 songs I've written this year, and I can't record it because money, production, video production, so costly.
So money is the major problem that you're now encountering today.
Money, to fund all these things, to fund yourself as a musician, to build yourself as a musician, and to get something in your pocket. That's why we are always looking for stakeholders or sponsors who can help you. Somebody who can see a talent through you and sponsor you up. See, somebody like Diamond was just somebody common, but the same manager that brought Diamond the first day is the same manager that still owns Diamond. Yep.
So, Alawi, should you now get a sponsor by now? Will you now focus to this? Utaacha mambo ya barini na focus kwa ngoma sasa?
1,000%.
1,000%.
And I'll put Kenyan music in the world map. That's my dream.
Thank you guys. We are coming to an end of this show. Just as you have heard it from Alawi Power. Alawi is doing a variety of music, and he loves hippos very much, and we have heard it from him. Guys, he is crying for a support. Whoever outside there has seen a talent to this young boy here, please, you can just make an attempt of helping him to grow and become just as other musicians outside there. Alawi, just as we come to an end now, which social media platforms are these people able to find you in?
You can find me on Facebook. At Alawi Power.
Alawi Power Facebook page?
Facebook page is Alawi Power.
Alawi Power.
You can find me on Instagram at Alawi Power. You can find me on Twitter at Alawi Power. MySpace at Alawi Power. TikTok at Alawi Power. Everything Alawi Power. YouTube, everything Alawi Power.
So my fans, okay.
Before you go, you can find my videos and my songs at YouTube, Alawi Power. Look for Alawi Power.
Guys, okay, it's not all about support. It's not all about finance, guys. Enda pale TikTok, enda pale Facebook page Alawi Power, enda pale YouTube. Please subscribe to Alawi Power. Remember also to subscribe to Kolo Show TV, because it's a program that we bring to you every day. We are here to promote our upcoming